ACER Dynamic 1440G lathe with Acu-rite 300S DRO with threading function.
Cut metric threads as fast and easy as inch threads. Save time when cutting metric threads. You can engage and disengage the thread lever without reversing the spindle and chasing the metric thread back for repeat passes. It takes just 3 easy steps. 1. Fill in thread menu. 2. Enter start and end points. 3. Move to 0 and engage thread lever.
Okay, the Acu-rite 300S threading cycle. Hit my page over key until we see the thread cycle. Push it. And I have it pre-programmed with these other parameters. The start point is x1 inch because we have a 1 inch diameter part. Z.1 will be 100 thousandths in front of the part. The end point is x940 Z-2, so I'll have a 2 inch long thread, and it will have a 60 thousandths deep thread in this case. Next page down, we have 4 passes plus a 2 thousandths finish pass. We have 8 threads per inch, so it'll be a 1 inch diameter 8 pitch thread outside. You just press the enter button on the DRO, and it's telling me to move X and Z to 0. So the readout changes and wants me to position to 0 at this point. That'll be my first starting point, my first depth of cut. And you'll see the readout switch and tell me to press first pass. When I get to 0, I press first pass. Now, my job is to engage the thread lever when the icon moving across the screen is between the 2 marks. Like that. We're cutting our first thread starts. The readout is telling me to disengage it when I hit 0. So when I hit Z0, disengage the thread, pull the X out, and hit next pass on the DRO. So it's telling me again to move to 0 in both axes. So first I'll move to Z, 0. And I'll move X to 0. I'll press start pass, and it'll tell me to engage my lever when the icon turns green, right there. Disengage when Z reaches 0. There, move X away from the part, press next pass. Again, and follow the instructions to move to 0. Is at 0 now, and I'm moving X to 0. So instructing me to press start pass, and then engage the lever when the icon turns green. Watch it move to 0 and then disengage the lever. Press the next pass, and move Z to 0, move Z to 0, and X to 0 for the third depth of cut. Press start pass, engage the lever, and the icon turns green. Disengage at 0. Move X away, press next pass, and move to 0 and press start pass. Disengage at 0. Press end, and that's the end of the can cycle. We now have a 1 inch diameter 8 pitch thread.